Alright, let's talk about something that shapes the way every cool product or idea comes to life: the innovation process. I want to break it down into 4 parts, with examples that'll make it stick. First up, searching for trigger ideas. This is where it all begins, spotting opportunities or problems that need solving. Take the Post-it note. The trigger. A scientist at 3M accidentally created a weak adhesive. Instead of tossing it aside, he wondered, what if this failure could actually be useful? That accidental discovery became the spark for a product millions use every day. Next, selecting from the possibilities. It's not enough to have a bunch of ideas. You've got to pick which one's actually worth chasing. Imagine your Netflix in the late 90s. They started out mailing DVDs, but the real game-changer idea? Streaming. Out of all the possibilities, they chose to bet on the internet, even when most people still loved their DVD players. That decision changed the way we watch TV forever. Okay, so now you've got your killer idea. The third step is managing its diffusion and take-up in the chosen market. Basically, how do you get people to actually use your innovation? Think back to the early days of the iPhone. Apple didn't just launch a phone. They built hype, made it look cool, and gave early adopters something to brag about. Their strategy? Get influencers and tech enthusiasts on board first, then let word of mouth do the rest. That's how you manage diffusion, by making it both desirable and easy to adopt. But innovation isn't just about cool ideas and popularity. The final piece is capturing value from the process. In other words, how do you make sure your innovation actually benefits you or your company? Let's go back to Apple. They didn't just create the iPhone, they built the App Store, a whole ecosystem that locks users in and gives them a cut of every app sold. That's capturing value, transforming innovation into real lasting returns. So let's recap with a quick map. First, you search for a trigger. Look for problems, accidents, or gaps. Next, you select the best idea. Be bold and strategic. Then you manage diffusion. Get people talking and make adoption easy. Finally, you capture value. Build systems that keep the benefits flowing back to you. Innovation isn't some mysterious magic trick. It's a process, and anyone can follow it. Just like the Post-it, Netflix, or the iPhone, groundbreaking ideas don't happen by accident. They happen because someone took the right steps, at the right time. So next time you spot a weird problem or an oops moment, remember, it could be the start of the next big thing. All you've got to do is follow the map. Thanks for hanging out. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments what innovation you want to see explained next. See you soon.